heart and lungs of Heidi here. I'm going to start by getting her respiratory rate, and I can visually see that her respiratory efforts are good, and besides being a little nervous, of course. So I'm going to start my stopwatch here. So she was about at 11 breaths per minute, so times 4, that would be 44 breaths per minute. With her, I'm going to go ahead and listen to her lung field. All right. Her trachea sounds good, and I do not hear any wheezing or any irregular noises. The first quadrant sounds good. 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 So her left side sounds really well. There's no crackling or wheezing that can be heard. I can hear the air movement coming out of her lung field, but there is no irregular sounds. The first quadrant on her right side sounds well. Good. 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 I've listened to both of her lung fields, all 9 quadrants on both sides. Everything sounds well, no crackling, wheezing, or anything irregular. I can hear air movement, but nothing, there's no wheezing, crackling, or any irregular noises being made. So I'm going to move on with getting her beat per minute. I'm going to listen to her heart and the 4 quadrants and listening to her heart. Okay, I have determined that it was about 22, so that would be about 88 beats per minute from Heidi here. I'm going to go ahead and listen to the 4 quadrants of her heart. Okay, everything sounds good. Okay, everything's good on that side. Okay, everything's good. Okay, I've listened to the 4 quadrants of her heart. Everything sounds well. And now I'm going to be checking for a pulse deficit. So I'm just going to place the stethoscope on her heart. Alrighty, those are matching up really well. Her heart rate sounds pretty regular and normal. No swooshing or heart murmur noises at all. So overall, I think her heart and lung health is healthy.